Hey, keep that same energy. Look at that. Hey, my boy be in that hole. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DD Loaded. We out here with the bikes and shit. Popping wheelies. I just almost killed my boy GG.
Keep that same energy.
Hey, y'all really go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, GG, Double G.
Hey, on a scale of 1 to 10, let me know how y'all think GG did my intro.
That man crazy. He's still on the top. Where we going? We're going.
But what is up, you guys? You know what I'm saying? Back at you guys with another one. Moto vlog. Got my mic fixed. Can't wait to get back out. You guys let me know what you think about straight pipe bikes. Yay or nay, you know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down in the comment section. Also, you guys, I got another treat for you. I got 2 angle view, 2 camera view. You know what I'm saying? The next step is the 360. But hey, 2 is better than 1, right? So I want you guys to let me know how you feel about the 2 angle view. You know what I'm saying? Should I just stick to 1 or should I keep doing 2? Remember, don't try none of the things we do at the crib, and whoever you watching riding, that it's not me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know who that is.
Come down here and live now. That jam hard right there, no cap, that jam hard. Take that out. That go hard, no cap.
Bro, while watching this 2 angle view, the back, bro, if this doesn't make you want to get on 2 wheels, I don't know what will, bro. Just look at us coming down the street just looking right sexy, you know what I'm saying? No homo. Bro, I said no homo too, so I don't want nobody in the chat or next time we meet up talking about, you know what I'm saying, that was a little fishy, because I clearly said no homo, you know what I'm saying? Bro, and right here was the point. A few moments before this, GG almost took me out, man. That man almost ran me over, but hey, we still here. We still surviving. Made it to another day.
What's up, my guy? What you got right here? What, 1K? You must got that. I'm used to them being stretched and stuff.
Yeah, I ain't stretched.
Nah, don't stretch that junk.
Full exhaust on it.
That ain't quiet. Nah, that ain't quiet.
No, I put a full exhaust on.
You did?
Yeah.
How much? How long? Huh?
I did it myself.
How long it take?
2 days after work.
Oh, whoa.
It took a minute.
How long you been riding?
A year.
A year?
Yeah, I'm moving.
Damn, I can't. I had me a 1K too. I sold mine though. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this pipe off. Boom. Throw the other one on. Somebody running without no pipe. That you? Why you doing that for? Loud and proud. Huh?
I'm riding like I bought it.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, the front, y'all got the same fairs?
Yeah. I had a 1K, but I sold that junk. I ain't like my one.
Shit, I'm trying to get another one, 750.
Yeah, that's what I want. A 750 next. How long you been riding? Where you get this one from? Oh, Arkansas.
No, the one out here.
Ah, the one out here. Oh, but hey, you here now?
Right. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
Well, that red thing right there looks sexy, no joke. Hey, but as you can see, you heard my guy. He said he only been out here a month, and that man was turned on the 650 Ninja. He was more turned than me when I first started riding. I ain't gonna lie, but hey, different strokes for different folks. It just goes to show you guys. It doesn't take that long to learn how to ride a bike, bro.
Got it looking good, smelling good, oh yeah, sounding good. Sounding even better, forget good. Yes, sir. I need to get in the front. Hey. We turn. Damn, Coop still living there. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, gotta switch gears. Hold on. Okay. Ah, fuck.
You guys, if you ask me, the straight pipes actually sound good, you know what I'm saying? You can do that for free instead of paying $700 for a new pipe. And make sure you guys do not do what he just did, going in between two semi-trailers. That wouldn't be very smart, you know what I'm saying?
Come on, Fonzo, man, little slow poke. I should never did that though. I'm bullshit. Bull stuffing. What's up, man? What you do, man? Oh, look at little head there. Little shoe. Big ankle. That man got his lights on. Okay then. Get my lights. Them just gonna be brighter. No cap. No job. No rap cap. Yes, sir. See who left their keys in their bar. I know somebody did. Yep. No, he did. Yes,
all right,
sir.
you guys. So we coming to an end. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, somebody gonna leave their keys in their
100
bike.
more
He
bikes.
did
You
too.
know what I'm saying? So next up for me, I'm down right now. I gotta fix my bike and I gotta put some lights on my jam.
Damn.
So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next video, peace out. Let's get it.